Hello, I'm Greg Otto, a technical director at WFN Strategies. The submarine cable market for offshore energy is in the midst of a revolutionary change as energy producers shift their strategy to reduce carbon footprint through the production of renewable energy such as offshore wind and the use of data-intensive robotics and machine learning for operational efficiency. In addition, the increasing presence of 4G and 5G mobile solutions offshore, along with the use of medium Earth orbit satellite and the pending availability of low Earth orbit satellite, is resulting in new offshore energy communication strategies. In the past, energy companies chose between low capital and low performance satellite or high capital and high performance fiber solutions. The fiber solutions were typically targeted towards higher production facilities with at least 10 or more years of plateau production levels to ensure the ROI on the investment. With the increasing use of digital systems to drive operating efficiency, as well as the need to keep workers connected back home, low bandwidth satellite solutions with less than 10 megabits of capacity are no longer suitable. Instead, tens, if not hundreds of megabits are needed for all facilities, noting that welfare use is often 50%. These new strategies help to build the case for improving connectivity across energy production basins, what we formerly called hydrocarbon basins. As capital is aimed at new production investments and optimization, and there are stated lifting cost targets, a single size approach is no longer suitable. Instead, a hybrid model integrating multiple technologies is emerging where companies can balance cost, capacity, time to service, and other constraints using backbone fiber attached facilities, downstream fiber connections to facilities, medium and low Earth orbit connections for assets and backbones, 4G and 5G last mile links. As these solutions will need to reach across the energy basin, the door is open for telecommunication service companies to bring a wide portfolio of solutions to the market. In addition, service provider capital can be used to reduce the energy producer's capital model and move towards a service model. So what does this mean for the submarine cable industry? Behind many of these options will be a robust and reliable submarine fiber cable. Submarine cable companies should look to partner with energy producers and service companies to design and build fit-for-purpose fiber systems that are simpler and lower cost to entry. If these basin-wide partnerships are not created, energy producers will go it alone and go with satellite. It is imperative to remember that offshore capacity per asset is well below 1 gigabit and that availability of service, reliability of service, expansion options, and cost model are the most critical business criteria. The consequential growth in submarine cable projects will be slow as partnerships are built, companies evolve, and the recovery from COVID-19 continues. The COVID-19 has resulted in retraction and delay. However, in totality, this is a market where understanding the business market drivers and working within those can help to lead an increasing market demand.